Hi everyone, welcome to Masterchefmom. Today for dinner I am making Lauki soup. Come, I'll show you how. So first I am going to pressure cook the bottle gourd, Lauki and garlic. I am adding around 2 glasses of water. You can add some salt. You can always taste and adjust later. So we are going to pressure cook this up to 3 to 4 whistles over low flame. So if you have an immersion blender, you can blend as is in the cooker itself. I am going to transfer it to a jar and I am going to grind it separately now. You can store the remaining water and then we can add it. So in the same pressure cooker, I am going to add some butter. You can use olive oil, but I am using butter for more taste. I am going to add some chopped garlic. We are going to fry it well. The garlic is browned well. I am adding the Lauki paste. So be careful when you are pouring, the soup will splutter. So when you are pouring it, be careful, keep it on low flame and cook. I am adding the reserved water. We have already added salt. If you want, you can taste and add more salt. Now we are going to flavor the soup. So I am going to flavor it with mint leaves. And for spice, I am going to add pepper powder. Again, this you adjust according to your taste. I am also going to add a little bit of nutmeg. This brings real flavor in the soup. This is again optional. We love it, so I am going to add nutmeg. So this consistency of soup is how we like it. If you like it little more thinner, you can add more water. Our soup is almost done, so I am going to finish off by adding a little bit of cream. And our delicious creamy Lauki soup is now ready to be served. Lauki soup எப்படி இருக்கு டேஸ்ட் பண்ணி சொல்லு.
Very nice, Uma. For this cool weather, it is really refreshing. I think I'm going to have Lauki like this only now onwards, as soup only.
And you all saw how easy it is to make the Lauki soup. Try it out for your family. Your kids also will just simply love it. Try it out and share your feedback with me. I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking.